Good evening, everyone. I'm Riley King, and welcome to my evening news report right here on the Riley King Network. Let's begin. Bears attack farm animals in Candia and Nottingham. New warnings are being issued after recent incidents in which bears have gone after farm animals in the Granite State. Goats Noah and Pete don't usually make much sound, but their bellowing woke their owner up early Thursday, likely saving their lives. Amzie said she shined headlights on the bear, scaring it back over the fence. She said the bear was taller than the fence. Meanwhile, officials said bear-related calls are up. A Candia man reported Friday morning that a bear killed one of his lambs. A local biologist explained that bears are wandering, waiting for things to turn green, checking out bird feeders and livestock food. He calls bears optimistic omnivores who sorry about that, everyone, who sometimes eat meat if the possibility presents itself. Breeding season starts soon. He said he thinks the Nottingham bear was a male following a sow and cub that visit Amzie's bird feeders. Electric fencing is recommended because it keeps out all kinds of predators, including coyotes and bobcats. But they also suggested that not only should chicken, sheep, and goat owners use it, but beekeepers as well. Word is once animals get zapped, they don't come back. And that does it for my evening news report right here on the Riley King Network. I hope you all have a great rest of your evening, and I'll be back with more news reports tomorrow. Good night, everyone. Bye.